The shortcut to making real money online is shockingly simple. Copy a proven method, then just put yourself in front of the money. Affiliate marketing is hands down the most proven way to make online profits. More people make 5 and 6 figures per month as affiliates than with all other methods combined. Forget the hassles of buying inventory, shipping products, and providing customer service, and skip straight to the money. When you combine affiliate marketing with the booming e-commerce industry where trillions of dollars are being spent online, you can make life-changing income in literally minutes per day. Now for the really cool part. Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, and a few other giants pay billions every year to affiliates promoting physical products. Only a tiny percentage of affiliates promote physical goods. The market is completely untapped and growing at double-digit rates. In marketing terms, we call that ka-ching. Put yourself in front of the money, let industry leaders do the selling for you, and laugh yourself all the way to the bank. What do you need to make serious profits in this massive market that's set to pay over $6.8 billion in commissions by 2020? Just 3 things. First, affiliate stores with incredible selection that convert browsers to buyers and rank high in search engines for free organic traffic. Second, constantly updated products and pricing so you make the most sales per visitor. And third, consistent and viral traffic. Try doing this on your own and you'll soon find that getting even a basic store built will cost you at least $1,000. Manually updating product and pricing can take hours per day. Paid traffic can cost, on average, $750 per month and comes with no guarantees. Suddenly, things don't look so easy, right? Great news! Finally, there's a better way. Because e-com affiliate marketing is the absolute best way for anyone to make game-changing online profits, we've created a solution that consistently works regardless of your background, experience, or budget. Welcome to AffiliStores, your all-in-one answer for banking full-time profits even if you've never made a dime online. This cloud-hosted software package gives you everything you need to cash in without needing to install or download anything. The included step-by-step training delivered by a team of expert e-com affiliate marketers is guaranteed to make you profits fast. In a single click, you'll have pro-level affiliate stores live and ready to drive commissions from 6 leading e-com platforms. Offer hundreds of millions of products from Amazon, AliExpress, eBay, Walmart, Shop.com, and CJ.com. Sit back and watch as these platforms do the selling for you and stack your account with commissions. Importantly, your new AffiliStores are not like the cookie-cutter sites you've seen anywhere else. They're slick, offer an incredible shopping experience, and are built to convert browsers into buyers and buyers into long-term customers. You'll effortlessly build buyer lists with lead forms that integrate with any autoresponder. Maximize commissions with related products and reviews that appear on every product page. Cash in from mobile users with stores that render perfectly on any device. Get 100% free search traffic with SEO-optimized stores. And turn one-time visitors into buyers with built-in product search that shows browsers exactly what they're looking for. It gets better. Your AffiliStores self-update to provide the latest products at the best possible prices. Never waste time manually updating products and make more commissions per visitor. Long-term profits are built into your AffiliStores instead of the traditional 24-hour Amazon affiliate cookie. When your visitors add an Amazon product to their cart, the cookie is automatically extended to 3 full months. So when people return to complete a purchase or buy any other Amazon product, you make the commission up to 90 days in the future. Top converting stores are one thing, but traffic is what gets you paid. That's why we've included a cutting-edge software that drives 100% free, targeted, and viral traffic to maximize your hands-free commissions. We studied the most successful affiliate marketing methods in history and found that blogs consistently generate the highest commissions. People love content. They consume it, share it, and regularly buy products featured inside that content. But who has time to set up a blog and regularly add fresh content? AffiliStores comes preloaded with your very own store blog that drives top-quality traffic for zero cost using other people's content. This game-changing tech leverages blogs in your niche by finding posts relevant to your store products and categories, then spins these posts into 100% unique content and publishes them to your store blog, monetized with relevant products. Each blog self-updates so your organic reach continues to grow. You get higher rankings and more viral traffic as social visitors share your post. Result? Free viral traffic, more sales, and higher commissions without lifting a finger. The beauty of AffiliStores is that repeatable commissions happen in just 3 quick steps. First, use the software to set up stores in a single click. Enter your affiliate info one time to get paid from every platform every time. Second, switch on the auto traffic feature that creates self-updating blogs that drive viral traffic for zero cost. Then just watch your commissions roll in and grow daily as both your stores and traffic build all by themselves. Everything inside AffiliStores has been developed to maximize your commissions. Create multiple income streams. You can launch up to 10 stores and bank windfall profits with the included flipping license to sell sites to others for thousands of dollars. All this without any previous skills or experience. Check out the full details below, watch the demo to see AffiliStores in action, and be amazed by how easy it is. When you grab your license today, you'll get multiple bonuses to get you even better results. During this first public launch, the price has been massively discounted. Although we'll soon charge at least $87 per month, today you can get in for a low one-time fee. You're covered by our money-back guarantee, giving you 30 full days to try our AffiliStores without risk. If for any reason you're not thrilled, your money back. Affiliate marketing works. E-commerce is blowing up as more people spend more money online. AffiliStores puts you right in front of the money. All the details you need to make the right decision are below. Check them out, then lock in your discount now to get everything for one low price. And we'll see you on the inside.
Thank you for watching this video. For more product reviews, please subscribe this channel.